Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals, some wild animals and some safari animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. This is a lion. L is for lion. This is a rhino. This is a rhino. R is for rhino. This is a saurus. This is a saurus. A saurus. This is a lioness. This is a lioness. This is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a hippopotamus. This is a hippo. This is a peacock. This is a peacock. A peacock. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is elephant. E is for elephant. This is a deer. A deer. This is a cheetah.